Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. It is just way too early to even think. It's 6:22 a.m. and I am awake. I am on my way to my church right now. Every Wednesday during the school year, my church does this thing where from 7 to 8 a.m. they hand out free coffee and like lattes, like real, you know, like I guess I would say Starbucks quality or better coffee. Like anything you want, they just give it to you for free. Like vanilla latte, iced white mocha latte, you know, whatever you want, you get it for free. So we do that every Wednesday morning, and I've been helping out with that for probably about 2 or 3 months now. I'm usually put on the hot chocolate machine, so I'm just like cranking out those hot chocolates. All right, I'm going back to Target, but I keep thinking of things I need for our trip. All right, that was just a really quick trip to Target. All I really needed was some powder, but of course I looked at other things, but I only bought powder, so that's good. And now I have to head home. I have so much to do today. I've got laundry, I've got to pack, I've got to edit, I've got to dye my hair because these roots, they're not gonna happen. Not on vacation. I hate packing. Do you hate it, boss? He actually does hate it. It makes him sad. It's just so hard. I pick my clothes based on how I feel for the day. And it's so hard to pack when you don't know how you're gonna feel. And packing for 10 days is extra hard because that's a lot of days to try to predict how you're gonna feel. Plus, it's the Midwest and the weather is very unpredictable, so I don't know if it's really gonna be hot. Is it gonna be cold? Is it gonna be like perfect? Is it gonna be rainy? I have no idea. I don't know what to pack. I think I should just take a lunch break. Food always makes me feel better. Whoa. I can't stop. Okay, it's like hours later since I last talked to you guys, and I really don't feel like I'm making much progress. I just feel like I'm making a mess. This is really hard. And I feel like this guy's starting to notice something is happening. He really hates when the suitcase comes out. And now, of course, this is a problem. He's just made himself comfortable all over my clothes. This is never gonna get done. Oh, please, make yourself more comfortable all over my clean clothes, please. And while you're at it, use your nails to scratch this nice lace. That would be nice. I would love that a lot. Thank you so much.
I love you. I love you. I do. I love you. I really, really do. I'm gonna miss you so much. I'm gonna miss you so much. Yes, I am. I'm gonna miss you. I know.
Oh, look, my mom's home. Look at her trying to park in these California small spaces. She's so cute. She's so cute. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. She can't hear me. Hi, Mom. I was yelling at you through the window. Did you hear me?
Well, I thought I heard something, but I wasn't sure what it was.
Oh.
What were you telling me?
I said, hi, Mom. It's her birthday today. Happy birthday.
Thanks. Here's your present.
Yay, tea. Hopefully it's not bucket tea. I'm taking a break from packing to do a little bra shopping. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is not my favorite thing to do. Not at all.
It's bath time. You take a bath? You want to take a bath? Yeah?
Oh, yeah. Don't you jump out of that tub. Hey, Buzzy. Get back in that tub.
I'm free! Time to head home and pack. Packing's the worst. It's like the evil necessity of vacationing. But that's alright, because it's worth it, because I'm going home! Anyway, so yeah, but now I've got to go to my California home, pack, eat dinner, Maybe do a little birthday celebrating. We'll see. It's birthday dinner time. We're having roast and potatoes and my favorite, asparagus, which means tomorrow on our airplane, when I have to use the restroom, I will have asparagus pea. And everyone will smell it. And it'll be awesome. Are you excited?
Not to smell your asparagus pea?
Well, maybe I'll try to get a seat right by the bathroom so you can smell it.
Gross. I hope we sit together.
Yeah, we'll work it out. It'll be fine. There's the birthday girl over there eating her birthday dinner.
All right, the packing continues. So far, I have 1 suitcase down, 2 more to go. I don't actually know if I'm gonna have 2 more, but I still have at least 1 more. Speaking of packing, I don't think Lucas has started packing at all yet. What time is it? 8:30 p.m. I've been packing since like 11:30 this morning, and I'm still not done. He hasn't started. Good thing he's a guy and doesn't need a lot of clothes. But Lucas, don't you think you should pack?
I came in here to pack, and then I realized my suitcase has gotten moved to the living room. But I'm in here, and the bed's in here, and my pillows are in here, and my suitcase isn't. I don't want to pack. I hate packing.
I know it's hard, huh?
You can't make me. Can't we just go? I'll just buy clothes there.
No.
I just need some shorts, some flip-flops, maybe a couple t-shirts, and I'm good. Right?
No.
I don't want to pack. Don't make me pack.
Pack! Right now, mister.
Just let me, just rest my eyes for, 2 hours tops.
2 hours. That'll be 10:30. We have to be at the airport. I don't even know what time. Our flight leaves at 7:45 in the morning, so we have to be at the airport at 5:45, which means I have to wake up at 3:45 to get ready. Just kidding, probably not.
All right, I'm doing it. I'm going. Okay, I'm out of bed. I'm gonna do this. Let it be known, right now it is 8:40, and we'll see how long it takes me. Chelsea says she's been packing all day and has another suitcase to go. I think I can keep this to 1 suitcase, 20 minutes max. Here we go. All right, I'm 17 minutes in. I'm close, but I'm not gonna make my 20-minute guideline. I do have some progress. I've got an outfit for travel tomorrow picked out. Do you guys, I just throw clothes that I wear into suitcases. Do you guys pack in outfits? Or do you just pack clothes that you'll wear and then figure it out once you get there? What do you do?
I try everything on in outfits.
Whoa, you try everything on? As you're packing, you put everything on?
Yes.
You can't be serious.
I can.
No wonder it's taking you all day.
Well, because you have to try it on and then see, oh, does this need a jacket, or does this jacket go with this?
Okay, wait, stop. How many outfits that you have packed have you never worn before?
A lot of them, actually.
Oh my gosh.
They're all new clothes.
What? Did you buy all new clothes for this trip?
Not all of them. Most of them.
I got a new shirt, of which I was very grateful for. I got a new t-shirt. And you got 13 new outfits?
It was my birthday.
I want new outfits. So I'm busy packing. And then I come out to the living room and I see this. What are you doing?
Eating ice cream.
And
Break.
you thought it was okay to take an ice cream break?
Yes.
Where's my ice cream?
In the freezer.
The mistake guys make is when they ask girls for their opinion on what they should wear, because then now they have to try stuff on.
Well, you should be able to dress yourself.
But you have good taste, and I'm trying to use it. Does this look good?
Try the black shirt.
1 hour. Done. Yeah. Oh, that was the worst. And I still have like fun stuff to take. Like things to do. Like this guy. Chelsea's still packing. I think she's working on maybe a 3rd suitcase at this point. I don't know. Yeesh.
So I think I finally finished packing, and now finally at 10:30 at night, it's time to dye the hair.
Alright, I'm tired. I'm all packed. I think Chelsea's all packed. Are you all packed?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she's all packed. So it's time to go to bed and get a little bit of rest before a huge day of travel tomorrow. So as usual, thanks for checking us out. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Like the video, comment on our craziness, and have a good night. Goodbye!